A couple of years ago, I dropped over $2,000 on what I thought was a dream refrigerator. 2 months later, I woke up to a puddle of melted ice cream and hundreds of ruined groceries. Buying a fridge used to be simple, but now you're flooded with flashy tech and confusing claims that hide what actually works. Well, I spent months testing the top options so you don't waste your cash. This breakdown reveals the true winners, including one top model almost nobody talks about. 6. Samsung AI Refrigerator Side by Side. This model is best for tech enthusiasts who prioritize smart features and connectivity over maxed-out freezer storage space. When I first rolled this unit into my test kitchen, the visual presence was undeniable. The sleek, dark finish and bright smart screen immediately command the room. Setting up the Wi-Fi took less than 5 minutes, and scanning items into the app felt like stepping directly into the future. Well, during the first few days, those smart sensors really impressed me. The internal cameras track temperature fluctuations, automatically adjusting airflow whenever you leave the door open while loading groceries. Checking inside the fridge from my phone while standing in the grocery store aisle felt incredibly convenient. The main refrigeration compartment keeps fresh produce remarkably crisp, holding leaf lettuce in great shape for over a week. Humidity levels remain steady across upper shelves, and cooling distribution prevents annoying cold spots that freeze items near the back. As weeks went on, real annoyances popped up. The side-by-side vertical split means the freezer side is surprisingly narrow, making it a struggle to fit wide frozen pizza boxes without awkwardly tilting them sideways. On top of that, if your home Wi-Fi stutters, those smart features occasionally lag or disconnect, leaving you with an expensive screen that requires a restart. While tech appeal is high, these functional trade-offs keep it anchored right at number 6. 5. LG InstaView Multi-Door Refrigerator. This unit is best for busy households who want instant access to drinks and snacks without constantly swinging open the main doors. Knocking twice on the tinted glass panel to reveal what is inside never really gets old. It is genuinely fun every time guests walk in. That door-in-door compartment lets you grab milk or sodas in seconds, keeping cold air trapped inside the main compartment where it belongs. In terms of everyday cooling performance, LG's linear compressor system works exceptionally well. While temperature stability across main glass shelves remained within a single degree during my testing period, which is fantastic for keeping dairy fresh and extending milk shelf life. The Kraft ice maker in the lower freezer drawer is another highlight, producing slow-melting spherical ice balls perfect for summer drinks. The interior layout feels open, and LED lighting illuminates every corner so nothing gets lost behind tall jars. However, living with it daily revealed a couple of downsides. That glass panel turns into a magnet for fingerprints within hours, meaning you'll wipe it down constantly if you have kids around. Furthermore, specialized door shelves behind the glass door are fairly shallow, so wider juice cartons will not fit without stealing space from the main cabinet. It offers great convenience and eye-catching style, but slight storage limitations and constant glass cleaning hold it back from climbing higher. 4. Haier Luxury Quad-Door Inverter Refrigerator. This model is best for home cooks who need serious, organized shelf space combined with ultra-quiet daily operation. Stepping up to this quad-door design felt like an immediate upgrade in practical space. Opening both top doors gives you a massive wide-open view across the entire upper section, making it effortless to slide in large party platters or oversized casserole dishes that standard fridges struggle with. The inverter compressor drive on this unit operates so quietly that I literally had to check the power indicator lights during initial setup just to confirm it was running. Well, even during heavy cooling cycles after loading warm containers, sound levels barely registered above a whisper. Dedicated dry and wet zone drawers allow you to store delicate berries at optimal humidity right next to dry items like mushrooms without either item degrading prematurely. Across 3 full weeks of testing, temperature recovery after opening doors was remarkably fast. Cold air flows evenly from multiple vents along the back wall, ensuring every corner maintains consistent chill without frosting over vegetables stored near the rear. Haier managed to hit a sweet spot between spacious quad-door convenience and reliable temperature control. It lands comfortably at number 4 because it simply works day in and day out without unnecessary fuss. 3. Hitachi French Door Bottom Freezer. This fridge is best for families who demand heavy-duty build quality and long-term food preservation above all else. From the moment you touch the handle, you can feel the heavy-duty Japanese engineering built into every hinge and shelf. I mean, the door is shut with a reassuring seal that immediately tells you this machine was built to stand the test of time. The dual-fan cooling system is where this fridge truly shines during testing. By using separate dedicated fans for refrigerator and freezer compartments, cold air is not constantly recycled between zones, which completely eliminates odor transfer between frozen seafood and fresh butter. Well, the Fresh Select drawer gave me unbelievable results during produce tests. I kept leafy greens and soft fruit inside for nearly 2 weeks, and they came out looking just as crisp and vibrant as the day I bought them. The bottom freezer drawers are mounted on smooth roller tracks that glide effortlessly even when loaded down with heavy meats and frozen bulk items. Reaching items at the back of the bottom freezer requires zero awkward bending or digging around. This is a powerhouse of thermal efficiency and build quality that earns its bronze spot easily. It gives you incredible peace of mind if food preservation and long-term reliability are your top priorities. Number 2. Sharp 4-door glass door refrigerator. This unit is best for design-conscious homeowners who want a stunning aesthetic centerpiece that delivers high-grade cooling. The moment I unboxed this Sharp 4-door model, the smooth tempered glass exterior completely elevated the look of my entire test space. It has a sophisticated, minimalist aesthetic that looks like it belongs in a high-end architectural magazine, yet feels tough enough for daily family wear and tear. Underneath that gorgeous exterior lies Sharp's J-Tech inverter system operating with incredible precision. I mean, instead of harsh power surges, the compressor subtly shifts through micro-cooling stages, keeping interior temperatures flatter than almost any other fridge I have tested. It actively neutralizes airborne bacteria and lingering food odors inside the airstream, meaning garlic sauce or leftover fish aromas never contaminate fresh desserts or ice cubes. The internal shelving flexibility is pure perfection for daily organization. Tempered glass shelves adjust effortlessly, and the central pillarless design opens up a massive horizontal space where extra-wide serving dishes fit without any cramming or tilting. This model delivers a near-perfect balance of luxury styling, silent performance, and advanced hygiene control. It barely missed the top spot, securing an easy number 2 ranking for anyone who wants high-end elegance that actually performs. Whirlpool 4-door Quadro Inverter Refrigerator. This refrigerator is best for anyone who wants the ultimate combination of intelligent space management, effortless organization, and top-tier food preservation. Taking the crown at number 1, this Whirlpool quad-door model blew every other unit out of the water during my testing. I mean, from the second you open those double French doors, you realize every single inch of interior space was engineered with pure practical utility in mind. The Quadro inverter technology paired with Whirlpool's 6-sense sensors creates the most stable cooling environment I have ever measured. Well, smart sensors continuously monitor internal temperature and humidity, making instant micro-adjustments that prevent freezer burn completely and keep fresh veggies crisp for weeks. The FlexiZone compartment in the lower section, you can customize the temperature of this zone with a single touch, converting it from a standard freezer to a fresh food compartment or a soft freeze zone for meats, depending on what you are storing. The door storage bins are deep, wide, and sturdy enough to hold multiple gallon jugs without sagging or vibrating. You know, interior lighting is bright yet soft on the eyes during late-night snack runs, and overall shelf arrangement makes organizing a week's worth of groceries completely stress-free. This is the undisputed king of French door refrigerators on the market today. It solves every single common pain point, eliminates food waste through superior cooling accuracy, and delivers flawless performance that makes it worth every single penny.